Hi guys, it's Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back. Today I'm going to do some garden chores. I'm going to clean out some pots, plant some more stuff in them. I got some starts. I didn't plant all of them last week, so I'm going to plant some this week. So take you guys along for the ride. So stay tuned. Okay, this pot is big enough to put 2 plants in. Oh, that soil ain't that dry. It's just dry on the top. But I'm still going to have to water it in, though. So I'm going to make a hole here and a hole here for what I'm putting in here. Cabbage and broccoli. I'm going to put broccoli in here. And they're not too root bound. They don't look the best, but they're not too root bound. So I'm going to put one of each in here. Oh, let me get my, what's the name? Let's put it over the top. Got my garden tone, my worm casting, and a little bit of blood meal. So, put the worm casting at the bottom. That won't kill it. And I'll put the other one on the top around it so that it can seep in. I'll take the garden tone and just, so when I water it in, it'll be fine. Alright, so there you go with the 2 broccolis. Let's pull this out first. And I'll move you back a little bit. So you can see more than one pot because I didn't put my compost in. Hold on. Let me get y'all wrapped back around this thing so you won't fall over. I didn't put my compost in that pot. So I'm going to put some in that on the top and put some in there and all that stuff. Mix it around. So, let me get some. I don't know what happened to the cup. So I'm just going to put some around the base of that one and that one. And this is mushroom compost. I've switched from cow manure. And yeah, I've never grown broccoli. So we'll see how this goes. Now I'll put a little bit of worm casting in here. Blood meal. That might have been too much. Let's put some of that back. I'll just leave it. That. And let's get some fertilizer. I don't feel like lifting up the bag. So That one was broccoli. So this one, I'm gonna put cabbage. I'm gonna put one on one side over here. And then I'm gonna put one on the other side and hope for the best. And this pot is not level. It used to be, but it's no longer. And I'm gonna put it in there. Like a piece of a worm. Y'all know I don't do worms. So I'm gonna put some more compost around it. Alrighty. Compost. Let's get some water. Okay, let's get some more water to water the next plant in. Be right back. Alright. Oh shit, I poured half of it out on my foot. I don't know why I don't got on gloves. I hate for all this dirt to get up under my fingernails. Alright. Yeah, to the next one. This blue in here. Has basil in it. And some kind of squash plant. That squash bug's got. Morning glories, they are invasive. So I took them out of my garden. But the seeds do, and they are every freaking where. So, anywho, what can you do? Alright, I'm gonna do the same thing. Let me put these up. But I'm gonna mend this the same way as the others. And follow. I got bone meal in the house. I had to order it. Amazon delivered it yesterday. Oh, I forgot to bring it out here, so we're without it. I'm being lazy. I want to go back in the house. This one's dry. I'm gonna water them in with the water hose, and then I'm going to put some fish emulsion on it. I want to put the fish emulsion on first because they're so dry, it'll just run right through. I need the soil to be wet. So this is going to be broccoli. Yeah, that's one. And that's two. And they'll push each other out to the sides to give some room for it to grow. Since this is a container, 17-gallon, two should be able to grow in there just fine. Because one can go in a 5-gallon. So, I think they'll be fine. Let me get some water. And then I'll go turn my water hose on. Okay. Supposed to get some rain in a couple days. Right before the frost. We got some rain this week. So they're not bone dry. They're just dry at the top, I guess. So we had a good rain. But get over there. Apparently not enough since they're dry. Alright. So we still got one broccoli and 3 cabbages left. 4 cabbages left in that tray. I still got a whole bunch on the porch, so but this was what we have to be planted out in the pot. Oops, y'all moving. 2 cabbages. No, 2 broccolis, 2 cabbages, and 2 broccoli. So we got 4 broccoli and 2 cabbages. The rest of this stuff is going to be planted in the beds. But I haven't had time to clean them out yet because I have been working like a slave. Yeah. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye-bye.